They say a single kiss from the Snow Woman will stop your heart forever. A young man is lost in a blizzard. Through the storm, he sees her, a tall woman in white, skin glowing pale under the moonlight. She drifts closer, her breath a cloud of frost. Her voice is soft, almost sweet. "Don't be afraid, I'll keep you warm." Her lips touch his, and instantly, his eyes widen, body trembling. Frost spreads across his skin, turning him to ice. The next morning, villagers find him frozen solid, his face locked in terror. So tell me, would you survive Yuki Onno's kiss?